noise, noise. I wish it was more like this. I wish there was more signal in my head. As I quiet myself, I try to build signal. But the noise always comes back.
I don't know what to sing. I thought I knew what to sing.
I find I can build signal when I break things down into their simplest forms. What is photography? It's a camera and a lens and light. And that's it. It's simple. That camera has a shutter, that lens has an aperture, and we use those two to control our light. Camera, lens, light. That's it. The noise starts to build when I start to think too hard. Well, which camera am I going to use? And which lens am I going to use? And which light am I going to use? And am I going to use a hard light? Am I going to use a soft light? Am I going to shoot on a black background? Am I going to shoot on a white background? Oh my God, it's so boring. I always shoot on black backgrounds. I always shoot on white backgrounds. How about I go location scouting? Oh my God, I'm location scouting. What am I going to do? What am I trying to say? What? Thinking that new camera is going to solve your problems, that's noise. When your confidence starts to drop, that's noise. Comparing yourself to others, noise. Watching your Facebook likes, noise. Learning how to light, signal. Mastering the gear that you own, signal. Look for the signal in your life, not the noise.